Oh, wrong plane. All right. Tim's circling around for his approach. He's gonna ease her on in. Yeah, woohoo, there you go.